Hello and welcome to another edition of What's Happening at the RJ National. My name's Ian Mitchell and I'm the product trainer here at Ransomes Jacobsen. Jamie Hughes, our greenkeeper, is away on holiday at the moment, so I'm filling in here acting as the greenkeeper on the golf course this month. It's been another busy month here at the RJ National. We've been renovating our greens, which include scarifying, overseeding and top dressing. We've had a visit from staff from the Pebble Beach golf course in California in the United States. And because Ransomes have been at the World Cup, we've had TV crews here from ITV and BBC.
Up in Germany in 2006 and to Spain in 2010.
With the warmer weather, we're now up the mowing regime to every day. Greens are double cut using the Eclipse 122 electric. So the battery power is very quiet, super smooth, no vibrations, so there's no requirement for Jamie to wear any of the normal PPE, hearing protection or anything like that. With the warmer weather, we've now finally been able to start our renovation program. The greens have all been verticut using our Thatchaway cutting units. These have given us a very fine scarification, and as you can see, the surface disturbance is minimal. We've taken out a fair bit of organic material, and now after a close mow, the greens are looking good. The next operation in our renovation program will be to overseed using the Dyna seeder attachments, this time with our GP400 greens mower. The Dyna seeders are excellent. We've been loading fescue seed, as you can see here, and also bent through these on our different greens mixers. And the cutting units give us a very, very good rate of germination. There's small wheels underneath the units which give a series of dimples into the surface. The seed is dropped into the dimples and there is a brush at the back which gives a super smooth clearance. The whole operation ensures that the seeds remain in the indentations caused by the dimples, and we are left with a clean, playable surface immediately after the seeding operation. The next part of the operation on our renovations will be to top dress all the green surfaces. We put on a medium top dressing using the Turfco wide spin. Once we got that onto the surface, then had to be worked in, and we use a drag brush behind the E-Z-Go. Makes much lighter work of it to work the dressing in and gives us a super smooth playing surface afterwards. Our football pitch is also used by engineering department for sound and vibration testing. And here we can see a Ransomes Mastiff undergoing a noise test. We're also very fortunate this month to have Chris Dalhammer and Bob Yo, superintendents from Pebble Beach in California, visit our factory. It was great to have the guys here, and Jamie had the opportunity to conduct a course walk with these two superintendents and tell them a little bit about life on the RJ National.
There is, yeah, all the drainage systems go into the pond, yeah. There's headways all the way around.
So I'll start off just...
As well as conducting a course walk with Jamie, Chris Dalhammer and Bob Yo also gave the Ransomes Jacobsen staff a presentation about Pebble Beach golf resorts. It was amazing to hear what goes on behind the scenes of some of the big events that they host each year, and great to share some of their knowledge and expertise on the game of golf and on presenting their golf course.
I started just like Jamie. Here I am, Jamie. You beat me. So obviously there's Pebble Beach, Spyglass Hill, and there's the links to Spanish Bay, and then we own the Del Monte Golf Course, which is actually outside of Pebble Beach in a city called Monterey.
England play group games at 2 of the venues where the Ransomes Jacobsen Mastiffs will be used.
We've also this month had a lot of press interest in the success that Ransomes have had in securing machinery for the Football World Cup in Brazil. We were fortunate enough to supply Mastiff mowers to the Maracana Stadium and 5 other venues, and both ITV and BBC Look East were interested enough to send camera crews along to do a report on this. So the football pitch had to be dressed up and had to be striped and made to look as good as it possibly could.
We supplied similar machines to this to the World Cup in Germany in 2006 and to Spain in 2010. And the London Olympics used them, as did the Rugby World Cup. So it gives our workforce on site a great deal of pride to see the machines they make so well being used at these prestigious events. So good for everybody.
Are you a football man? Would you care to predict?
As part of Alan's interview, he was asked whether he was able to predict who would win the FA Cup, but ever the diplomat, Mr. Prickett, refused to be drawn. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this month's edition of what's happening at the RJ National. We're now into high summer, and as the weeks roll past, what we can do here will be dependent very much on the weather that we get. We'd love to see some rainfall, but we'll have to work with whatever we're given. We look forward very much to seeing you next time.